Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel Learning English with Vijay, or welcome to the channel those who are joining here for the first time. So friends, earlier we have learned how to make past sentences using so many actual tenses like past indefinite or past simple tense, past continuous or past progressive tense, and past perfect tense, and using past perfect continuous tense. And today we will be learning that how to make a short story using all the past tenses. So let's have a look. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So here we can see, guys, that the first sentence, one day when I was going to market, I met my friend. So the sentence is in the past form, because when I was going, it was continuing. I was going there then and suddenly I met my friend. So here is the actually past continuous tense we are using, and this is past simple tense. He wished me for my birthday. It means he wished me, wished. So it's the second form of wish. So it's the past form. He wished me for my birthday. I thanked to my friend because of, as he wished me for my birthday, so I thanked him. Thanked, its first form is thanked. So it's also past simple tense is here. After that, I bought things at market. I bought, it means buy, bought. Here we also we are using here past indefinite or past simple tense, at market. And I returned my home. I returned, it is another past simple tense. I returned from the market. I returned my home after 2 hours. Okay, it doesn't matter. When I returned, let's see here. What does it mean? I returned. Returned. So it's the V2 form is here, is the past form of the verb. So it's the simple past tense. I saw. Again here is the simple past. See, saw, seen. My father was reading a newspaper. My father was reading. My father was continuously he was reading a newspaper. It means it indicates the past continuous tense. My mom had cooked food. My mom already made food for I don't know, I need to see, and she was serving food to our relatives. My mom had cooked food. My mom had already made the food. She had cooked the food and she was serving, and after this she was serving the food to our relatives. So it means earlier he had made food and after that she was serving the food. So here we used past perfect tense. Had, you can see the had is here and the V3 is also here. Had plus V3 is here. It means this past work done first. This work done first. So my mom had cooked food and she was serving food to our relatives. Then that day my mom asked me. Again here is the second form of the verb. Ask verb is here. Asked. Asked me, can you remember what is the day today? So my mother was asking me, she asked me, what is the day today? Then I replied. Again here is simple past. Replied. No mom, no mother. After that we went out for shopping in the afternoon. We went out, which means we went. So here is the second form of go. We went, and here we using the past simple past tense. In the afternoon, and we bought 2 cakes and some good dresses for me. So here the verb is buy, to purchase something, buy, and its second form is buy, bought. We bought 2 cakes and some good dresses for me. It was a happy day. What does it mean? It was a happy day. It was a day. It means it indicates a state of the day, that day was happy for all of us. And at night we celebrated my birthday. Celebrated, again the past simple tense is here. Celebrated, its first form is celebrate, and here we use the verb second form. So we celebrated my birthday. It's also past simple tense. So in this paragraph, or in this short story, we have found that there is some most of the tenses are past simple tense, and some of them are in past continuous tense and past perfect tense. We have found in this short story. So we are connecting all the sentences and we have made a short story. So I think guys, you will get some help from this video and you will know how to connect the sentences using past tense. I hope that you will try according to your own and you make a short story as you actually wish, as per your knowledge. If you make it, I think it will help you a lot, and if you actually comment it or post it in the comment section, I will definitely be happy for you all. So guys, hope you if you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel, those who don't subscribe.